Ready to unlock those sweet new skins and emotes but only got a Visa gift card? Let's turn that plastic into bucks. First, log into your Epic Games account on the Epic Games website, not through the Fortnite game itself. This is super important. Click on your profile icon, usually in the top right corner, and then select account. Now, find the payment method section. Click on Add Payment Method. Select credit card even though it's a Visa gift card. Treat it just like a regular credit card for this process. Enter the Visa gift card number, expiration date, and security code CVV exactly as it appears on the card. This part is crucial for a successful transaction. Very important. Enter the billing address associated with the Visa gift card. Some cards require you to register an address online before use. Make sure the address matches exactly. If you didn't register an address, use your own home address. Head back to Fortnite and go to the Vbucks purchase page. Select the amount you want to buy. Your Visa gift card should now appear as a payment option. Select it and confirm your purchase. Boom! You should now have your Vbucks. Go grab that new skin and show off your awesome loot.